Hello everyone, welcome back to illphocorphics. Today we're going to see how to create this kind of foodie or any kind of vlog YouTube thumbnail in Photoshop. I'm going to show all of the process that what you can also follow with that same system to create this kind of thumbnail in Photoshop easily. So watch the video until the end. I hope you're going to learn a lot of things in this video. Now before we jump into the main video, I would like to share that I'm offering my service on Fiverr. If you like to create any kind of video thumbnails, banner or any kind of graphic designing from me, just check the link in the description and check out my Fiverr profile. You can order and get the service from me. So now let's start the video. Now we have already taken some image that we're going to use to create this kind of thumbnail. So if you like to download all these images, just check the link in the description. I'm going to put the link to download all the images. First, I'm going to remove the background of the model. So just I'm going to use the pen tool, and you can go with selection tool, but in my preference, just always try to go with the pen tool because pen tool is a very perfect one. After selecting the model with the pen tool, just use the selection mask to refine the hair area of the model. After that, take a new document of full HD size. You can go with the HD size, but in my preference, I would like to always go with the full HD size. After creating the document, now we're going to create our background. You can just follow my steps and use all the images to create that background. So just follow my steps and create that perfectly. And you can also do some of the experiment to go with another background for your own thumbnail. After that, convert the model image into a smart object and then paste it into the main composition of thumbnail design. Now we're going to color grade our model image with the background, and we're going to give some of the lighting effect onto the thumbnail. So just follow my steps and again do that perfectly by using my steps. And you can also do some of the experiments again to come up with the more and creative for your own thumbnail. After that, we're going to add our thumbnails information. If you like to add any other text that you like to give on the thumbnail, just add them and resize the text perfectly. After adding all the text and information into a thumbnail, now we're going to adjust it perfectly. And then we're going to apply text effect using the layer style. You can follow my steps and do some of the experiments to come up with a better or this kind of text effect for your own thumbnail. After adding text effect into our main thumbnail, now we're going to add some of the more color grading into our thumbnail. So just do some of the color grading and create some of that kind of effect that what's look perfect. And now finally we're going to use the camera filter to give the final color grading for our thumbnail. So just do the experiment and see what color looks perfect for your own thumbnail. And finally we are done. Now you can see we're just done to create the thumbnail. Now I just show you all of the process that what I do when it's come to creating YouTube thumbnails in Photoshop. I just use all of the steps that you see in this video to create YouTube thumbnails. So I hope you like this video. If you like this video, hit that like button, and also be sure to know what do you think about this video in the comment section below. I would love to hear from you, and also share the video with your friends so that they can also know about the channel and support my channel to grow. So that's it for today. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye.